Yes! Alright, cool. Here we are. It's the Yeezy 350 Bred, as some people call it, unboxing. These are my second pair of 350 Yeezys. I know you guys are waiting for the video, but I just need to give you a little backstory, innit? My backstory to this. So yeah, man, if you guys out there, you Yeezy aficionados or connoisseurs know, do you remember the Moon Rocks, the Yeezy 350 Moon Rocks? Those were my first pair of Yeezys. That was like 5 years ago. I remember I queued up with me and with my brother, and we queued up overnight. Like, that's the first time I've ever camped out for something. And I just remember it was cold. I think it was in November. It was November times. It was freezing out there. I was drinking bare coffee to stay awake. Met some cool guys in the queue though. A couple madnesses happened as well. People trying to tussle to get in front of people. Kept it cool, kept it calm. Got my Yeezy 350 Moon Rocks, but that's 5 years ago. And I ain't had a pair of Yeezys since. So yeah, man. I entered the raffle or the sign up on Adidas, and I got through and I got my Yeezy Breds. So here they are. I'm excited to see them. I do like the all black ones. They seem very calm, subtle, and that's how I like it. You know, it's not doing too much. You know, I know Yeezys are not as hype as they used to be, but it's still a decent shoe. Pretty sure it's comfortable as well. So yeah, man, here's the unboxing, guys. So yeah, let me be quiet so you can hear the lovely sounds. Ooh, boost. Look at that box they are. 350. Oh shoot, my bad. Yes. 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 Lovely. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Boost technology. Loving this material. It's gonna be so comfortable, I already know. Boost technology at the bottom on the sole. Got a size 9.5, UK 9.5. I'm pretty sure you guys know Adidas, from my experiences, they are a bit smaller than Nike shoes. They fit a bit tighter. So I went for a half size bigger than I usually get. There's the left pair. You can see Yeezy. This is legit. Sole there. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna give you a on the feet look of these two. But yeah, man, I'm happy, man. I got a pair of Yeezys. I got a pair of Yeezys. On feet, can style the laces any way you want. Just done a quick knot there on mine. Wearing grey jeans today, but I'll probably wear these with either black jeans or maybe shorts or something like that. But it's up to you really how you style it. But yeah, man, these are the Yeezy 350 version 2 Breds on feet. Feel comfortable. So but yeah, let me know if you like them, if these are your favorite Yeezy colorway, or if there's another colorway that you think is better. Let me know in the comments. Here they are, close for you. Close up. Inside. Side. Sole as well. Yeah. But yes, thank you for watching that video of the Yeezy unboxing, mini review, and the on-feet shots. I hope you liked it. Also, let me know in the comments what your favorite pair of Yeezys are, what your favorite colorway is, you know, if you still like Yeezys or if you've moved on from the Yeezy hype. Let me know, man. But yeah, man, more trainer reviews are gonna come your way, for sure. More jacket reviews, clothing reviews, talking about men's fashion. I'm gonna do it all, man. But yeah, thank you again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment on my videos, man. But yeah, it's your boy London Joir. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good day. Take it easy. Peace.